Hey, what's up guys, and it's time to unpack more secrets regarding the Galaxy S22 series. We are just days away from the official announcement and things are getting surprisingly good. We have some brand new leak for the chargers that is going to be coming in the S22 series. Alongside, we also got leak information regarding the official cases of the upcoming S22 series, and with that, also there's some improvement in the haptics and big improvement in the camera departments. We will discuss all that in this video, so stay tuned. So guys, now based on the recent certification, it says finally officially confirmed that the 45-watt fast charging is coming to the S22 Ultra and the Galaxy S22 Plus. As far as the base Galaxy S22, it's going to be offering a 25-watt fast charging, which is surprisingly going to be similar to the S21 series. And having a 45-watt charging is a big deal, but unfortunately we are not going to see that charger inside the box. And moving forward, we have some brand new official case render images that has been leaked, which give us a pretty much good detail about the upcoming official cases for the S22 series. Basically, we are going to see the S22 Ultra coming in a silicone cover case, an LED view cover case. Alongside with that, we have a clear view cover case and standing cover case as well. One of the most important is the maximum protection case that is called the Samsung protective standing cover case. And moving forward, we have some improvement in the haptics department as well, because a new linear x-axis motor is also introduced, which in simple English means that the haptics on the S22 series will get even better than before. This is super important for an overall experience for the smartphone devices. And moving forward, Samsung has a big expectation for the sale of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, especially the S22 Ultra. They have already offering instant credit for those who reserve the S22 series in the US as well as in other markets. On top of all this, they will be offering even better pre-order deals. Samsung expected big demands for the S22 Ultra, which could actually delay the shipping for some customer. According to a Twitter leakster, the Galaxy S22 Ultra waiting time could get even worse than the Z Fold 3. Again, this is based on exception. Take this leak as a pinch of salt. And speaking of the Twitter leaks, it seems like someone has checked out the night mode on the S22 Ultra, and according to their experience, the S22 Ultra night mode is too powerful. Like, it turns the night into a day while taking the same amount of time as the S22 Ultra, which is about 6 seconds. And I actually find that very impressive. Now, he mentions that the scenes get brighter in a good way. And if you actually pay attention, the Samsung official teaser for the S22 Ultra night mode, it is actually looking pretty good. Again, I hope that it doesn't get too bright. We still have yet to see the actual sample, but it seems like the night mode on the S22 Ultra will be incredibly powerful. I hope the night mode performance also translates into video as well. And guys, I'm super excited about the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.